Hi guys, here is yet another recipe. Homemade Pop-Tarts made with real fruit. These are not your average store-bought Pop-Tarts. When you use stevia, it helps reduce the sugar and calorie intake. So to get started, you place blueberries in a small saucepan. You then add 1/4 cup of stevia and 1/4 cup of sugar in the raw organic white, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of water. You're going to repeat the process with the raspberries, and once you're done with both of the fruits, you're going to set the saucepan over medium-low heat and simmer, stirring occasionally until fruit is soft and mixture is thickened. This took me about 10 to 20 minutes. When the filling is done, allow fruit mixtures to cool before forming the Pop-Tarts. This next step isn't necessary, but it definitely makes a difference in the flavor. Squeeze half of a lemon into each filling. Add lemon zest. Roll out one pie crust to an 1/8 inch thickness. Cut crust into 9 2 by 3 inch rectangles and place on prepared baking sheet. Add 1 tablespoon of fruit mixture in the center of each piece of dough. Roll and cut second crust in the same manner as the first and place the rectangles on top of the fruit mixture. Use a fork to crimp the edges of the Pop-Tarts. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Remove from oven, transfer Pop-Tarts to a wire rack to cool completely. If you want glaze, all you have to do is mix confectioner's sugar with vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of water. Spoon glaze over cooled Pop-Tarts and garnish with sprinkles. You guys enjoy this recipe.